Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for 2025, Vanguard IRA versus Fidelity IRA. If you're planning your retirement savings, choosing the right individual retirement account, IRA, can make a huge difference in your financial future. Let's break this down step by step so you can decide which one is best for you. First off, what's an IRA? It's a tax-advantaged account that helps you save for retirement. Both Vanguard and Fidelity offer traditional and Roth IRAs, but they differ in fees, investment options, and user experience. Starting with Vanguard, it's renowned for its low-cost structure. Their expense ratios are often rock bottom, especially for index funds and ETFs. For example, Vanguard's target date funds have fees as low as 0.08%, which means more of your money grows over time. They're ideal if you're a hands-off investor who wants simplicity and cost efficiency. However, their customer service might not be as personalized, and the platform can feel a bit basic for advanced traders. On the flip side, Fidelity IRA stands out with its robust tools and resources. They offer zero expense ratio index funds, fractional shares, and a wide array of investment choices, including stocks, bonds, and even cryptocurrencies in some cases. Fidelity's app is user-friendly with great educational content, making it perfect for beginners or those who want more control. But watch out, their actively managed funds can have higher fees, which might eat into your returns. So, which one wins? It depends on your needs. If you're all about minimizing costs and passive investing, go with Vanguard. If you prefer a full-service platform with lots of options and tools, Fidelity might be your pick. Remember, in 2025, with potential regulatory changes, always check for the latest updates. Before you decide, consider factors like your investment goals, risk tolerance, and how much time you want to spend managing your portfolio. I recommend starting with a free account on both platforms to compare. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.